Jangan cari Unising. I nak kasih satu advice untuk orang yang nak cari marketing ke ataupun team yang baik. Jangan cari Unising. This is my single advice. Sebab apa? Once you dah join, you tak boleh lepas. Habis. Alhamdulillah, ini kita dah berapa bulan, kita dah jadi sekarang ni bukan doktor yang pakai Unising. Jadi doktor yang melekat ke Unising. Jadi Unising part of our business. Because Alhamdulillah, since Unising dah masuk dalam business saya, Alhamdulillah, the flow of patients lain, the quality of work lain, dia akan bukan only pasal buat video advertising. Ada banyak strategic plan. Yang tu yang susah dapat mana-mana. What unique about Unising and the team and the staff, they are very friendly. Kita dah berapa bulan, walaupun kadang-kadang kita marah ke, walaupun kita minta terlebih ke, walaupun kita nak out of all the range, there is no deal. The deal is all about satisfaction. Sebab tu dia akan tarik tangan you, tarik kaki you tak boleh lepas. Hanya tu Unising. Thank you very much. And for me personally, Alhamdulillah, I dapat banyak offer dari the companies lain. Cuma what's so special about Unising is simple. They have very young thoughts because the staff all the mature, but at the same time they are very updated. Yang tu penting sangat. You tak nak buat benda yang outdated. You tak nak buat benda yang tak sesuai into your business. Setiap business ada cara dia. So bila dia sebelum kita start, they have to go through a lot of step and study. They have to understand apa yang kita nak. After a while, kita tak perlu fikir. Dia akan fikir on your behalf. So, yang hasil of all this marketing whatsoever, buang into Unising. Unising akan buat kerja yang baik, insyaAllah. Thank you very much.